Hi guys, we want to solve for x in 3 raised to power x plus x equals 30. Guys, this is not a regular algebra question, but let's solve this together. So we have, let's say, solution. So from here we have 3 raised to power x plus x equals 30. So what we are going to do now is transfer this x to the other side. So where we will have 3 raised to power x equals 30 minus x. Alright, so then we can divide both sides by 3 raised to power x divided by 3 raised to power x divided by 3 raised to power x. So what we are going to have with this 3 raised to power x divided by 3 raised to power x is 1 equals 30 minus x divided by 3 raised to power x. So which implies that 30 minus x divided by 3 raised to power x equals 1. But remember, this is a negative index, so this will be transformed into 30 minus x then multiply by 3 raised to power minus x equals 1. Because this 3 raised to power minus x, let's have it here. So 3 raised to power minus x will be equals, this minus will be 1 divided by 3 raised to power x, and that's why we have it here. So alright, so here I need to apply Olympiad function, which is, if we have the Olympiad function of a exponential a will be equals a. Alright, so I must make the base and this power the same, and to do that here we need to multiply both sides by 2 raised to power 30. So let's multiply both sides by 2 raised to power 30. So we have 30 minus x multiplied by 2 raised to power minus x. So now let's multiply this side by 3 raised to power 30. Alright, so equals, we have 1, then multiply the other side by 2 raised to power 30. So from here now we have this and this. From the law of indices, when number with two base are being multiplied, their power are added. So we will have 30 minus x multiplied by 2 raised to power, we now had minus x plus 30 equals, then 1 times 3 raised to power 30, we have 3 raised to power 30. Alright, so since we have this now, we can write this as 30 minus x, then 30 minus x equals 3 raised to power 30. So if you look at this, you see that this base and this power are now the same. So now we have to introduce the Olympiad function, apply the Olympiad function. But before that, let's note that 3 is equals exponential ln 3. Why is this? Is because this exponential will cancel this ln, so that means that we can replace 3 by this with this. So now we have 30 minus x. Alright, so then exponential in 3, then raised to power 30 minus x is equals 3 raised to power 30. But don't forget that we want to make the base and the power the same. Therefore, we need to multiply both sides by ln 3. Do you understand? This is ln 30 minus x. Well, this one we only have 30 minus x, so we have to multiply this by ln 3 as well. So we have ln 3 multiplied by 30 minus x, then multiply by exponential ln 3 multiply by 30 minus x equals ln 3 multiply by 30 raised to power 30, 3 raised to power 30. So now we can check the Olympiad function of both sides, so such that we will have the Olympiad function of lim 3 multiplied by 30 minus x, then exponential lim 3 30 minus x. This equals the Olympiad function of lim 3, then 3 raised to the power 30. So from here, remember our Olympiad function is the Olympiad function a exponential a equals a. So this implies that if this base and this power are the same, so we are going to have the Olympiad function to be lim 3 multiplied by 30 minus x equals the Olympiad function of, for this we can express this as 3 raised to the power 27, this plus 3 multiplied by lim 3. Alright, therefore we have lim 3 multiplied by 30 minus x equals the Olympiad function of 3 raised to the power 27 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3 from the law of indices, lim 3. So then this will become lim 3 multiplied by 30 minus x equals the Olympiad function of 3 raised to the power 3, this lim 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 27. So we'll have lim 3 30 minus x is equals the Olympiad function of 3 raised to the power 3 will give us 27 lim 3. Alright, so then we have multiplied by exponential lim 3 raised to the power 27. So therefore we have lim 3 multiplied by 30 minus x equals the Olympiad function of 27 lim 3 exponential 27 lim 3. 27 lim 3. This will become lim 3 multiplied by 30 minus x to be equals, you see this base and this power are the same, so therefore we have 27 lim 3. So we can easily divide both sides by lim 3, lim 3, lim 3. This will cancel out this, therefore we will have 30 minus x equals this 3, lim 3 will also cancel this lim 3, so we have equals 27. So if we collect the light time, we will have our x to be equals 30 minus 27, and therefore our x equals 3.